Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are all doing well. Today's video is going to be about the top 5 of the best waterproof cameras in 2022. So without any further ado, let's get started. Best overall, Olympus Tough TG-6. This is actually an upgrade to its previous model, TG-5. It comes in a black and red finish, industrial design with large buttons, making it convenient to operate under the waves and on land. Its housing of the combined SD card and battery compartment, as well as the side compartment that houses HDMI and USB ports, are all protected by doors with a double catch mechanism for preventing them from being opened accidentally underwater. Its blazing fast wide-angle f2.0 lens, high-speed sensor, and powerful processor together combine to capture stills and videos with brilliant color and stunning details. You will also get a variable macro system comprised of 4 macro shooting modes, magnified shooting up to 1 centimeter from the end of the lens, 5 underwater shooting modes, including an underwater microscope, and 3 underwater white balance modes as well. Best for scuba, Nikon W300. This is a tough-as-nails camera that is designed for the extremes. It is waterproof, freeze-proof, shock-proof, and dust-proof. By design, it comes with 3 shades, black, orange, and yellow. For the body, it uses a thick hard plastic to make it withstand the adventures you throw it to. It features 16 megapixel backside illuminated CMOS sensor. Its 16 megapixel low light sensor and fast f/2.8 Nikon zoom lens can capture the action in striking detail, even when the light is fading, while its fast autofocus and continuous shooting speed will help you land shots others might miss. For video, with a touch of a button, it will let you record in 4K Ultra HD or 1080p Full HD videos with stereo sound. And finally, coming to its control, it offers an extra large grip and smart button placement for stable one-handed shooting, while its large 3.0-inch LCD will provide an anti-reflective coating for shooting in bright light. Best Premium, SeaLife Micro 3.0. This is the best premium option. It is the latest and 3rd generation of the popular permanently sealed micro camera series. This Micro 3.0 features an ergonomic, compact design and easy-to-use controls and menus. It features a 16 megapixel, 1/2.3-inch Sony CMOS image sensor for sharp, detailed photos and can shoot stills in RAW format at full resolution. Its video recording is rated at 4K and 30 frames per second, or 1080p at 120 frames per second. It will also help you get picture-in-video feature and time-lapse shooting, where you can take images at set intervals to see change over a period of time. Its additional features include Wi-Fi sharing ability, a 260K high-res 2.4-inch TFT color LCD display, and 64 gigabytes of internal memory. Finally, for its waterproof and durability, it has a depth rating of 200 feet and comes permanently sealed, so there are no watertight doors and no O-rings to maintain. Best GoPro, GoPro Hero 10 Black. This is the best waterproof camera you can get from the brand. It is built around the same 23 megapixel 1/2.3-inch sensor as its predecessor and is waterproof down to 10 meters. What makes it the most powerful and most polished version yet is its inclusion of the new GP2 processor, which outputs snappy performance, responsive touch controls, and double the frame rate for amazingly smooth footage. It will deliver incredible 23 megapixel photos, 5.3K video resolution at 60 frames per second, along with an 8x slow-mo at 2.7K. Using this camera, you can also pause your videos and grab 15.8 megapixel still photos from a 5.3K video that look amazing. Another bonus is the Feature Hyper Smooth 4.0, which will bring the stabilization's power high mode to Hero 10 Black's most demanding modes. For the connectivity, transferring photos and videos from your cloud-connected GoPro to your phone is simple and versatile, as you can choose between wireless upload via the Quick app or a lightning-fast wired connection via USB. Best Budget, Nikon Coolpix W150. If you are looking for the best waterproof camera on a budget, then this is worth considering. It is an upgrade to its predecessor W100. By design, it has a gently curved body and recessed area around the lens, providing a comfortable, solid grip in any hand. For control, it houses large, well-positioned buttons and a user-friendly interface for easy accessibility. It is dustproof, waterproof down to 10 meters, shockproof from heights of 1.8 meters, and freeze-proof down to -10 Celsius. For its image quality, it features a 13.2 megapixel sensor, and a 3x optical zoom, as well as a 6x digital fine zoom for delivering sharp and incredible images. For video recording, its full HD video will offer a resolution of 1080p with an aspect ratio of 16:9. For other features, it utilizes a target-finding autofocus feature to instantaneously assess the intended subject and automatically adjust the autofocus area according to its size to assure clearly focused images, and a Nikon technology to improve image stability by automatically compensating for camera shake. You will also get about 18 different shooting modes to change your style to complement your subject, from food photography to adding special effects like bubbles and mirrors to your pictures. There's also a picture-in-picture function, as well as to make your images appear as they were taken on an instant print camera, then placed in front of the background of another picture. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.